We're outside right now. Okay, I'll try not to. Oh, like everywhere? Yep. So yeah, we're outside and we're gonna play some soft air in the rain. So I might actually go down and check out the track real quick just to see what the trench is like. Wait, this is what we walk into. Why are you wearing the motocross helmet?
Cause I don't want to get wet.
Wait, alright, I'm gonna go out to the track. Hello, and today on the Motorboys. Right now I'm walking down the track to see like how muddy it is, but I just stepped in some giant puddles, so I'm trying to maneuver my way around them, and my feet are like freezing right now. Oh. So I have to figure out how to get through this just to see the trench. Hey! Whoa, is that like a... Oh, Jesus. Here, let's take a look at Connor's side of the yard over here. It's just pure... pure puddle, dude. Like, water is just falling through here. Dang. How am I going to get through here? God dang it. Oh! What? I'm trying to find my way to that. I'm just going to walk around. Dude, there's so much water down here, it's not even funny. Oh my God. Ah, no, I thought this was gonna be like, Oh my God. We're going this way. We're going around. Oh my God. Dude, you do not know how cold my feet are. Jesus. Yeebist yeist. Oh. I'm going around the water, okay? Oh, dude, I can see the trench from here. Holy crap. I'm not ready for this. Jeez. I don't even care that my feet are stepping in the... Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God. What? No. What? I'm gonna get in the middle of this, dude. I'm walking over it. Looks like we won't be hanging out here for a while. So if you don't see any videos for a little while, it's because this thing is gonna be full forever. Okay, here's where my shoes are gonna get insanely muddy. Dude, this is dope! Oh no, the soccer mom cones. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna wear these pants for the rest of the day. Bro! Oh my God! Oh my God! No way! Oh my God! It's like a river, dude. Jeez. Oh my God. Dude, you should come down here. Dude. I have no idea when this is going to be out. Jeez. Why is this so cool? It's just completely full. Oh no, there's Connor's hat. Oh. Oh. Okay, oh my God. Connor's gonna need to fix up that sometime. Okay, I think my shoes are a little muddy, guys. I gotta go back down there and get a thumbnail before I leave. It was flooded. Yeah. It's really bad. It doesn't look terrible when you're like here, but it's like about a foot, like that deep. Oh.
You look nasty.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's really wet.
I'm gonna go back down there and get a thumbnail later.
I'm trying to stay semi-dry. I think they both really well play yourself with it. How much video you have left?
An hour, but this GoPro's about to die, so we'll see you guys later. I'll get.
Oh no, we should go sit in the Mustang and play some music.